In this video, how to fix secure boot support enabled but not active in BIOS ASRock motherboards. The first method, if the secure boot mode is currently configured to standard. Let's change it from standard to custom. Next, select Key Management. As you can see, no secure boot keys are installed. To install them, let's click on Install Default Secure Boot Keys. Click Yes to load the default secure variables. As you can see, the keys are now installed. Save the changes and restart the computer. As you can see, secure boot is now enabled and activated. The second method, if the secure boot mode is configured to custom. Let's switch it back to standard, and the pop-up to install the factory default keys will appear. Click Yes to install them. Save the changes and restart the computer. As you can see, secure boot is now enabled and activated. On Windows, you can check if secure boot is enabled. The first way, you can check it using the System Information app. The value displayed will indicate on if secure boot is enabled, off if it is disabled, and unsupported if it is not compatible with your hardware. The second way, you can check it from the Windows settings. Select Privacy and Security. Windows Security. Device Security. As you can see, the secure boot is on. And the last way, you can also query the secure boot status from PowerShell. You'll see true if secure boot is enabled, false if secure boot is disabled, and this if it is not compatible with your hardware. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.